Ah, fuck it. Shut up, fridge. But sorry, guys, it's gonna keep on going. こんにちは。本日のビデオをご覧いただきありがとうございます。直哉、ホストの直哉です。I'm just playing. Yo, what's going on, everyone? I'm Naoya. Thank you for clicking on today's video and welcome to the channel. I really wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. It is the Trouser from Sangiev's new collection. It's right here. Try to hide my address, but finally got it in hand and I haven't even opened it. I literally just got back home from work, and so if I look tired, excuse me, but shall we get right into it, hey? Okay. So, we got the receipt and the trouser right here. Ooh. Comes in a nice plastic bag with the Sangiev logo, which is cool. Oh, the bag is like a fucking Ziploc too. Oh shit, nice. Okay. Damn. Alright. Now, here is the actual trouser. Okay. Might be too dark, but I'll have an on-body shot. So, this is just more. This is gonna be more of a, I guess, first impression video rather than like an actual review, because I'm literally just seeing this the first time. Okay, let's start with the outside. The wool fabric feels nice. The thickness is just right. It's not too heavy. It's not too light. I don't know. It's probably like maybe 350, 400 GSM maybe. I'm trying to guess. I've gotten used to it over while I'm working. Nice. Okay. It looks like the hem is hand stitched, so you don't see the actual hemline at the bottom. Now, working my way. I mean, the leg itself is super wide. It's not the longest pair of trousers. Oh, I can't remember the actual length. Maybe like 28 to like a 30-inch inseam, I want to say, if I remember correctly. Okay, let's see the fly. Ooh, it's a button fly. Oh my god. These buttons remind me of the ones we use at work. Okay. The buttonholes are clean. Okay. Now, man, the overall construction is really well done. Talking about construction, I have a gripe with all the YouTubers saying, oh my god, it's got a nice construction and it's such a heavyweight fabric or whatever. The actual fabric weight does not count as a construction quality. That's just like material quality. And also thicker doesn't always mean better. You gotta look at the material composition and how it was woven or knitted. Yeah, that's just my gripe. If you're talking about the actual construction, it's the way things are stitched, how the seams are finished, if there are raw edges visible, how is that finished, so on and so forth. So, talking about the actual construction of the Sangiev trousers, I'm very impressed. All the raw edges where the lining meets the actual shell fabric is very well done. It even covers all the way down by the fly as well, which is very impressive and very clean. And yeah, it's a half lining. It is, oh, it's just free flowing. Okay, I thought it was attached to the leg. Okay. Okay, so the outer shell is 80% wool, 10% polyamide, 10% polyester. So it's a wool blend. It doesn't feel itchy at all, which is great. I believe this will be like a wool melton or boiled wool, I want to say. And yeah, I'm very impressed with the trouser. I'm so excited to try it on. So let me put them on and get back to you with how it fits. Ooh, that feels nice. Okay. This is sick. I know you guys can't see it, but oh man, dude, the waist is so fucking high. The end of the trouser, oh yeah, you can see it right here. It comes up all the way up to my chest. I bought size extra small because my waist is tiny as fuck. It is slightly loose. I could wear it with a belt, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off, so it's not bad. Yeah, it fits great. When you fold the top bit down, it also sits pretty nice. It is super high-waisted, so I don't have to like hike it up all the way, and the hemline sits really nice around my ankle. Yeah, I mean, overall, I'm so happy to have this trouser. You know what? One thing was, what I was worried about was the color too, but it's not. It's actually quite muted, so I think it wouldn't be too bad to add to my repertoire and create some outfits. I think it'll be nice to have like a really flowy, kind of like a baggy, I guess what Sangiev would call a pirate-esque outfit. Yeah, I think that would be cool. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's a quick one, you know, it's a bit more raw. We went raw here. Wait, pause. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I really appreciate every single one of you subscribing. Oh yeah, in like my last video, I said I'm about to hit 600, and while I was filming, I think I hit it because when I was editing and I checked, and it was already 600. So thank you everyone for your continued support, and if you haven't checked out my Instagram, it's right here in the corner at NAOYATAK, and I will see you all next week. Peace.